Creating a new survey with Response AI. Response AI is proud to announce our new Estimator tool, which allows you to create a proposal and estimate the cost of a project before you're ready to create the survey. Begin by clicking Add New Proposal. You can name your proposal based on your survey topic. Choose the associated organization. The example on screen is for craft media. It gives you 3 basic categories for the length of the survey. Short surveys, running about 10 minutes, containing up to 30 questions. Medium surveys, running 10 to 15 minutes, containing 30 to 45 questions. And long surveys, running 15 to 20 minutes and containing 45 to 60 questions. To ensure the respondent answers thoughtfully and accurately, going beyond 20 minutes in a consumer survey is not recommended, but can be accommodated in special circumstances. This demonstration will create a short survey containing 30 questions. Enter the number of desired respondents in the sample size box, in this case 500 people. Then scroll down to select your region and region specifications from the corresponding drop-down menus. Within the US, options for region specifications include nationwide, specific region, specific states, DMAs, or custom geography. A new drop-down menu will appear to the right with the applicable options. Use the sliders to specify your desired age group and income criteria. Beneath Methodology and Options, enter the number of advanced quotas required for your survey. Standard quotas include age and gender. If your survey also required a respondent's political party and race, the number of advanced quotas would be 2. Let's take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. The estimated price will update in real time as you add your survey specifications. Make sure to accurately specify your incidence rate, as this could have a significant impact on the price. For example, adding likely voters to the text box labeled Other Screening Criteria, followed by changing the incidence rate to 70%, increases the estimated survey cost from $5,060 to $11,060. The estimated CPI, or cost per interview, calculates the anticipated level of difficulty for reaching a particular sample. This usually starts at $2 and increases as you narrow your target audience. The system can automatically price for standard demographics. For an extra fee, you have the option to include surveying through Facebook or through a link for custom distribution, in addition to a standard consumer panel. For some surveys, this is an inexpensive and convenient way to target hard-to-reach communities with specific interests or behaviors. Advanced methodologies, such as MaxDiff and Conjoint, are also available. If you select Custom Screening Criteria, the orange banner at the top of your screen will alert you that the initial cost is approximate. The same banner will appear when surveying groups with a household income greater than $100,000, as well as surveying narrow age groups. To confirm your estimated CPI and final price, please contact My Proposal at response-ai.com. Under Options, check the boxes that suit your needs, such as an SPSS file, complex script, or rush job. These will add incrementally to your price. Once you are finished, click Export to PDF at the bottom of your screen. Your survey criteria will be automatically generated into a document that clearly breaks down each associated cost. You can create multiple proposals with different criteria to assess your various needs and wants and find the perfect combination at the right price. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and remember to subscribe for easy access to all the resources you need to make your next survey with Response AI a success. For more information, or to schedule a live demo, please visit our website at www.response-ai.com or email us at hello@response-ai.com.